Hello guys, today in this video I'm going to show you how you can create a website using ChatGPT. So here I will go ahead into ChatGPT and here I will start typing the query. So before moving, you can see now ChatGPT is paid version, so you need not to go ahead and buy it, but you can use the free one. Okay, so yeah, let's proceed. I'm also using the free one, ChatGPT. So I will go ahead and create this. So I will write here HTML and CSS to create a e-commerce related website with complete details. Okay, and keep the background color as light blue. Okay, let's see. So now you can see here is the basic HTML and CSS code to create e-commerce related website with a light blue background. Okay, so here the bot has understand the query what we are trying to ask. What we are asking to do actually. So now you can see it is first creating the HTML page and it is using the like styling, it is applying inside the style tag within the same HTML page, and now it has started writing code for the body part of HTML. Okay, so just you need to wait for a few seconds. Okay, you can also review what it has done. So you can see it has added CSS and as a background color it has added a light blue. It has automatically chosen the font family. Okay, also it has used the text align for heading with the padding. So everything it has added, and now you can see it's done. So what I will do, I will just copy it and I will go here. Okay, and I will open my text editor. For right now I have opened Visual Studio Code. I will use a new file and I will just choose text file and I will paste those HTML code and I will save it with the name of commerce.html. Okay, and I will keep it in a folder so that I can access easily. So I will keep it at desktop inside JS folder. I will create a folder e-commerce. Okay, and inside it I will save this e-commerce.html file, or I can also rename it maybe Rebellion Finder, and I will just change it instead because it is the first file. So I will try to keep it as index.html because index and default or home.html, these files are known as the default page in your website to open. Okay, so inside this here we have this page index.html. So what I will do, I will close it, I will open it again from desktop JS e-commerce, and here it is. Okay, so now I will try to open it in the browser. Okay, so how we can do it, we will just simply go here and double click on it, so it will automatically open in the browser, and you can see its styling and everything. It is not looking good, it is not looking a good e-commerce website. Okay, So what I will do, I will ask to, it is also asking to add a product to one.jpg file to be replaced with the actual image file. So yeah, I will type I didn't like your, or just simply let me type it here. Can you can you write code in more better in terms of design and options like cart. So now it should write a code with the cart option in the website. So it was very basic what it has created, you can see. So it is asking us to replace this product 1, 2, 3 and 4 with the product page, but even here I can see the cart. So yeah, let's see how it will write it. So now here it will start, it has started actually writing the body part. So you can see it has written the half code, not the complete one. So here I will ask to write the HTML. So it will again write the remaining part. You can see it has started from the div. Okay. And here it has also added add to cart option here. So basically whatever detail you will pass here in the chat box, it will work accordingly. Okay, so here I will copy it and put it here, and I will also copy the next remaining part from here, and I will put it here. I will save it and I will refresh this page, and you can see this time it has done something like very wrong thing. It's not looking like any website. Mm, okay, product 1, 2, 3. Okay, here this tag is not closed. Let me close this. I have saved it now, and now I will refresh it. Still it is not looking in a good way. It has not even had added a properly header and footer and everything. Okay, let's see. I didn't like this. Can you add a proper header and footer? With the best design. Okay, it should also have a search products option. So now it has started writing the code again, okay, from the scratch. So every time you will ask anything, it will start typing from the scratch. So basically it is really a good thing for learning. So you can, if you are a mid-level or you are trying to start new career in like HTML, I mean, or designing or coding, then you can learn it from here. Okay, so basically for creating any static website, it is the best way for now. I mean, ChatGPT can do a lot of things, or I can say more than 60% of work ChatGPT can do. So let it write. So I have asked to write the remaining part as well. So you can see it has started from the same place where it has left. So what I can see from here, like it is really very good. I mean, this is very like effective way for any bot to write the things, okay, in like very easy way, and it is using a kind of a brain, I can say, and to understand the requirement and produce the result according to that. So now again I will ask to write the remaining part as well. So it is the next remaining part, you can see. Okay, so I need to copy it this time as it has longer things to have a base. So here I will go again in the VS Code and I will select all, I will remove everything, I will paste it here, and just after this I will copy this one and I will paste it here, and here you can see it has not closed it, so I need to close it. Okay, and then next I need to copy this. Okay, and I will go ahead and paste it here, and I will save it. And now I will refresh this page, and let's see. So you can see it has added a search box as well here. Okay, but still you can see this white header is like. So if you want to make this header, as you can see here, it has also added the footer here. Okay, so again I can ask to make the header as static. Okay, make the added header as static. Okay, let's see. Yeah, it has started doing it. So what it is saying, sure, you can make the header static by adding the following CSS in your existing style sheet. So what it is asking us to do, just let me copy this. Okay, it is saying this will make the header remain fixed at the top of the page even when the user scrolls the page. The position will be fixed, and this and what is it is saying, I just need to add it in the CSS style. Okay, so you can see the Z index and everything. It has also told the meaning here as well, what it will do. So what I will go do here, I will go here in the just before these classes, and here I will paste it. But as you can see, it is coming inside the header, so I will put it inside this. Okay, so from here this will happen, from here, and this. Okay, and now I will save it, and let's see. I will refresh this page, and now you can see it is static here. Okay, so this is a little bit bad thing as well, because now we cannot see the cart properly. So there are a lot of bugs. So in the same way, you can keep asking ChatGPT to do the improvement in the code, and it will keep suggesting you to do so. Okay, so that is all guys in this video. I hope you like it, and if you like it, then don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the like button as well. So thanks for watching. Bye bye.